A great egret stands like a statue in the middle of the pond. We know it is hunting, so we pause to watch. Minutes later, it walks in with a fish that is way too big for an egret. I scramble toward it without my tripod. For the next 3 minutes, the egret seems confused, or maybe it is waiting for the fish to calm down or stop wiggling. It pulls its neck back to withhold the weight of the fish. After realizing the fish is still strong, it stabs the fish with its beak repeatedly before it swallows it. After the fish passed through the beak, it stuck at 1/3 of the path for more than 6 minutes. At this point, I couldn't watch it anymore. I walked away, feeling sorry, and hope it would be okay.